So here we have the Vauxhall Crossland on a 17 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot area first of all. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60-40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. Now that we've done a full circle of it though, you can see it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. We have the speedometer on the right-hand side. In the centre at the bottom, you can see the total miles for the car. They are 56,659. We have a digital readout for the speedometer in that section as well. You can change that information using controls on the indicator stalk. If we back out to the steering wheel, we have our cruise control, stereo and phone controls, and then the main stereo over in the centre just here. So you can see this car's got climate control settings on the main screen. We have physical controls for that below, which we'll come to in just a moment. When it comes to our audio options, you can plug in your smartphone via USB to project certain Vauxhall friendly apps up onto the screen. Otherwise, you have AM, FM and DAB radio, USB input and Bluetooth audio available to you there. You can also, of course, pair your phone up under the phone heading. The physical controls for the dual zone climate control are just here. So you can control the passenger and driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. Air conditioning's on at the minute. That's off. Back on again. Or hit auto. The car will then maintain the temperature you've asked for by taking full control of the fan speed for you. With a 12-volt charging socket and USB input underneath that. The 6-speed manual gearbox. And in front of the gear lever, we have child locks. Parking sensors you can turn on and off. We can turn the stop and start on and off, the traction control on and off, the tyre deflation warning system, traction control here, lane departure warning system you can turn on and off from here as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to give us a call here at Surrey Specialist Cars. We'd love to hear from you soon.